What's up guys, it's Nia and today's video is going to be a get ready with me for the holidays. So I'm covering hair, makeup, and of course, a cute outfit.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush.
First, I wanted to talk about the Vernesso LED makeup mirror, which allows me to get ready anywhere, anytime. It has 22 dimmable LEDs, which provides bright lighting, a 10x zoom adjustable mirror, and on-off touch sensor, and not to mention, it's super lightweight, so perfect for traveling. To help cover my dark spots, I use the MAC Prep and Prime in the color orange. This has really been helpful so that I can cover all of my hyperpigmentation, especially when I'm going in with my foundation. I find that when I do not do this step, I'm always seeing those dark spots shine through. So what kind of plans do you guys have for the holiday season? I know we always do a Christmas Eve dinner as well as a Christmas dinner as well. And this particular night I was heading to my cousin's house for a Christmas party.
Kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for your baby. Don't know how you make it me.
I'm definitely more of a homebody, so anytime I have the opportunity to go out, especially for the holidays, I always like to go a little bit more glam than I would on an everyday basis. So if you guys can see in the background, I just got a new slip cover for our wingback chair and I am absolutely obsessed. I will definitely show you this to you guys in a future video, but I have been searching for the perfect wingback chair and I finally found it. I did have to wait a little bit because it was on back order, but I was so excited when I saw that it came in time.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are.
One of my favorite things about this mirror, besides the fact that I can do my makeup in my room while I'm watching my shows, is the fact that it has that 10x mirror, which really allows me to get in there, especially when I'm doing my eyebrows or any feature on my face that I need to get really up close.
Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head, you're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we get set the world on fire.
And what's the holiday without a little bit of glow? So I'm adding a little bit of shine to my nose as well as my highlighted areas. If you have small eyelashes just like me, then you definitely need to get your hands on this primer. It's a white primer, so it's gonna look a little bit crazy in the beginning, but it really adheres to your lashes so that when you're putting on your mascara, it makes them look a whole lot longer than they actually are. Now onto the hair. I am a wig girl at heart. I just do not feel like dealing with my own natural hair, and wigs just really make my life a lot easier. Not to mention, I have been able to grow out my hair really long, past the point that I ever was before. So this is my personal protective style, and I always go for just those soft voluminous curls, nothing too crazy, because I just want something a little bit soft and sultry. Now onto this adorable dress. I picked this up from ASOS and it was on sale for only $40. I am obsessed. I will say that it runs pretty big, so you want to go down in a size. So whatever you normally wear, definitely go down a size. I probably could have even went with a 4, but I did settle on a 6. And then I'm going with these Forever 21 booties that have a gold heel detail, which are super cute. And I did end up putting some black leggings on because it was pretty cold, but this is cute too, or even a over the knee boot would look super cute as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing holiday, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.